Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox the OPPO Reno2. I know we had a hands-on of the smartphone before, but today we got here the OPPO Reno2 Storymaker's Kit. So ano ba meron dito sa Storymaker's Kit ni OPPO Reno? So basically, OPPO Reno2 is, tagline is, anyone is a story maker. And you know, they want to emphasize yung creativity nyo, they want to emphasize the features of the OPPO Reno2 na para sa lahat ba, paano maging story maker mga tao or mga gumagamit ng OPPO Reno2. So, what's so special about this box? Well, you can't find this one in store. So, this one is made by Jappy Agoncillo. So, it has a lot of art dito sa loob. Mamaya i-describe ko sa inyo kung ano ba meron dito. So, this one comes with a lot of icons, elements that is ingrained in the Filipino youth. I mean, we got here the milk tea, the Jeep, Audrey Hepburn. So, marami. Mamaya i-describe natin, isa-isahin natin kung ano ba meron dito. So, before that, pag-usapan muna natin itong box na meron tayo dito. So, nakikita nyo naman, this one is, are you ready to make a story? So, basically, it's, you know, emphasizing, again, the OPPO Reno2 as a story maker, the tool that you need to create stories, the tool that you need to share your memories on Instagram, on Facebook. So, tanggalin na natin tong box. So, actually, very creative nga to, si Jappy. So, nakita nyo, meron tayong box doon sa box. So, yan. So, natatanggal siya, may buto siya dito. So, pag in-unbox na siya, makikita nyo na dito. The world awaits the stories you make. So, basically, again, anyone is a story maker. So, meron tayo iba't ibang icons dito. So, we got here the OPPO Reno2. So, you can see here, we got a quadruple lens camera. Mamaya makita natin yon, or you can just check out our hands-on. And this one is actually the jeepney. Yan. So, alam naman natin, everyone is riding a jeepney. Ito yung parang means of commuting natin. And every Filipino, I believe, knows what this is. And every Filipino, I believe, is nakasakay doon. I believe this one is a green turtle. So, green turtle is an endangered species right now. So, I believe gusto na rin nila parating na, you know, you need to support the nature. Wag nating hayaan mawala to. And sa panahon ngayon, it's the youth that can save yung future generations. On the other side, we got here the controller. I believe everyone who has a smartphone plays on their smartphone. I mean, we have Call of Duty, we got PUBG, we got Mobile Legends. Gaming is part of our everyday routine. Part na siya ng laging ginagawa natin. I mean, without gaming sa smartphone, parang kulang yung paggamit natin sa isang Android smartphone natin. One of the things that the Filipinos love right now is milk tea. It may not be a Filipino drink, pero part of the culture na ngayon ng Filipino youth is milk tea. Everyone loves milk tea, and they have a milk tea over here. So Jappy included the milk tea over here kasi nga the OPPO Reno2 is part of our lives. It creates stories, and these things na nakikita nyo dito, these are the small things na part of our stories of our lives. And just like the OPPO Reno2, they have a taste sa fashion. They have a taste sa style. Just like Audrey Hepburn over here, katabi na milk tea. So, the OPPO Reno2 is very stylish. I do like its design. And again, just like Audrey Hepburn, gusto ko yun na talaga na pagdikit nila yun yung fashion, style, and also yung beauty na smartphone. Yung beauty ni Audrey Hepburn nalagay na sa smartphone and na-include nila dito sa box. So, ano ba meron dito sa loob ng box na to? Actually, it's the OPPO Reno2, and oh my god, so yan. Anyone is a story maker with the new OPPO Reno2, and I do agree with them. We got here a quadruple lens camera, 48 megapixel rear camera. The stabilization is really damn good. I like the shark fin style front-facing camera. Later, I will post susunod ka na video, magpo-post ako ng stabilization niya. Sobrang ganda na stabilization ni OPPO Reno2. So, ano ba makikita natin sa box na to? Well, first, we got here the manuals and quick guide. We got here the OPPO Reno2, and it's really beautiful. I love the design of this one. I've talked about the smartphone during our hands-on before, and sinabi ko sa inyo, I like the design of this one. Very similar to the OPPO Reno, the first generation of OPPO Reno, but this one is a lot better. course, we got here the leather case on the smartphone. It's very premium and yes, it's very stylish. That's what I like about the OPPO. So they got the power and the camera inside, and sa labas meron tayong very stylish design outside. We got here the earphones, the pin for the card tray, a VOOC 3.0 flash charge cable, and a VOOC flash charger. So this one is capable of 20 watts charging. So that's it for the OPPO Reno2 unboxing with this creative Storymaker skit box. I love the design of this smartphone. I love the box. You've seen the design of this one. I mean, ilalabas ko siya ulit. I mean, I love the message of the smartphone. As you can see here, quadruple lens camera, very beautiful design, a glossy glass back, something na hindi mo basta-basta hindi titignan eh. Kasi talagang stylish ng design niya. We got here a full screen display on the front, very beautiful, and a power inside which is powered by Snapdragon 730G processor, really powerful processor, and it is made for gaming. So this one is more balanced too. I mean, we got here a USB-C, a 3.5mm headphone jack. It might not have the same 60 times zoom of the OPPO Reno 10X zoom, but this one is more balanced when it comes to design, to the style, to the body, to the price, and to its power inside. So I guess that's it for our unboxing of the Storymaker kit of the OPPO Reno 2. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now is the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. Don't forget to check out the links below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell button. So once again, jamonline.ph. This is the second time that I'll be saying goodbye. So see you guys again sa susunod na video.